Jai Gurudev. Good morning, my dear children. I am Mrs. Palani Ammal, your science ma'am. Today's thought for you: plant a tree and get oxygen for free. Let us start our class. As we all know, oxygen is one of the most essential components of the Earth atmosphere. It is mainly required for breathing, combustion, and decomposition of organic waste. Children, you may be thinking that all of us use oxygen. Then, why is oxygen getting finished, or how is it getting replenished? Replenished means refill. This is because of plants produce oxygen, right? You know that green plants perform photosynthesis. What happens in photosynthesis? In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight react to give glucose and oxygen. This is how the green plants release oxygen. During the respiration, oxygen is used to release energy from the digested food or carbon dioxide is released. Green plants take in this carbon dioxide and give us back oxygen in the atmosphere. The process of photosynthesis and respiration help maintain a constant percentage of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air. The cycle of consumption and release of oxygen in nature is called oxygen cycle. However, continuous deforestation and urbanization have rapidly decreased the green cover of the earth. Do you know what is deforestation? It is cutting down the trees. Then, what is urbanization? Urbanization is an increase in the population in town and cities as compared to rural areas. This has led to an increase in the level of carbon dioxide in the air. This increase in the level of carbon dioxide in the air has led to global warming. Thus, we should plant more trees to ensure a balance of these gases in the atmosphere. Now, let's see how air gets polluted. The presence of unwanted harmful substances in the air is termed as air pollution. The air gets polluted in many ways. Smoke from factories, automobiles makes the air dirty. Air pollution causes respiratory problems, lung cancer, heart problems, and many more. As it causes it problems to human, it also affects the atmosphere. Some of the effects of air pollution on atmospheric condition such as greenhouse effect, global warming, and ozone layer decay. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, and chlorofluorocarbon are called as greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases absorb the heat reflected by the earth and maintain the temperature of the earth. This phenomenon is called greenhouse effect. As increases is the level of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, traps more heat and results in the overall increase in the temperature of the earth surface. This is known as global warming. Causes of global warming. If the temperature continues to rise, it will lead to rise in the sea level. This is because as the temperature continues to rise, the glaciers and the ice caps will melt down. As they melt, the areas surrounding the sea will face a threat of flooding. Do you know the ozone layer protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun? This ozone layer is depleted by chlorofluorocarbon. We need to take steps to reduce air pollution as air is vital to the survival of living organisms. Thank you, children.